What is the value of the expression 45 divided by 9 over 2 multiplied by 10? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the expression 9 over 2 multiplied by 10, which I have highlighted in yellow, because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they say it's easy to simplify 10 with the 2 in the denominator and write this expression as 45 divided by 45, which finally gives them the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they immediately say that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, that's definitely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how we should solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule exactly as I've shown on the screen. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to note that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we start with the expression 45 divided by 9 over 2. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 45 multiplied by 2 over 9. Now, the number 45 cancels out with the 9 in the denominator and this expression simplifies to 10 multiplied by 10, which finally gives us the answer 100. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.